good about themselves, and they can attack with the cushion. Oh, great save and a beauty on the play. Hey, James, going to wind that back up just for a moment. That was a huge hit on this last shift. Scores! Listen to this place. What a start for them. Get the game's first goal. Now they have to keep the pressure on. Great execution on this odd man rush. You find the open player. You drive the middle of the ice. You create a seam, and you execute it perfectly.
Arizona's got the game's opening goal, and it didn't take long.
You always want to start quickly, but I don't think anybody really thinks it's going to be this fast.
Now a quick pass to Oposo. He's got a step. Scores! Wow, what a goal!
Nice hand, great finish. Little short break, this is in the net. Once you escape the pack, it's now one-on-one with the goalie. He's trying to read you, you're trying to read him. The shooter wins this time.
Buffalo's hard work in this opening period pays off.
Right when the anthem finished, these guys were on it. They've done a really terrific job and are well rewarded for that first goal.
Jones won the draw. Toffoli's got it behind the net. And it's in the back of the net. Oh, this was quick.
Hard to believe the game could change so quickly. An early score. And it is something that nobody quite expected. The good thing he one-times this puck. The goalie almost gets there, but the pass is on his tape in the low slot, and he beats him clean.
Calgary's got a 1-0 lead, and they've got their crowd on their feet here.
Early on, the entertainment is here. Early lead for the home team.
Quick feed to Slavin. Getting a little physical there with that collision. Snaps it on net. Scores! Brent Burns!
When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
The Hurricanes are back at center ice, and with it, a 1-0 lead.
You'd like to start quickly. This is about as perfectly as you can. At home, crowd behind you, and
moves inside! Scores! On the rebound, puts it home!
The rebound goal's all about position. You got to fight to get into that interior part of the slot and get inside the defenseman, so if the goalie can't cover it, you're the first person on the puck. It's in the net.
Here in the late goings of the period, the Blackhawks make their way back into the face-off circle, still in search of another goal.
Puck is dropped in shape, and now they've got the lead.
Chance in front! Scores! What a finish on the play!
As this play heads towards the net, you can see the traffic. The goalie's struggling to find the puck line, so he'll drop into position in the butterfly, thinks he's got it covered. But there's crowd, there's a hole, and it's in the net.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. The Avs have recently taken a 2-goal lead. And look at the bench set up.
Yeah, this seems like it's going to be a tone tonight.
Took a weird bounce off a skate and past the goaltender.
This is what creative offense looks like, James. Dangling play around the defender. He's got everybody throws it, ends up with an assist as his puck ends up in the back of the net.
The Blue Jackets have turned it up to 11 here early with that goal.
They told us this morning that they wanted to attack early. They thought that the other team might not be ready for a quick start. Turns out they
brings the puck into the offensive end now. Manages to hang on. Goes right to the crease. Scores! And they've even stolen that one.
Even though they've been behind, James, I think they've played a pretty good game here. They haven't let the game escape from them. They haven't chased it. Now they've got the equalizer, and they've got the momentum. From the goalie's perspective, there's so much traffic they can't see. So he just drops into the butterfly, hopes he's in the right position. But that puck sees some air, and it beats him clean.
Officials getting ready to drop the puck. Puck position. Detroit's got it from behind the net. Looks to set up at the point. Scores! Oh, that was quick!
It's good to be a homer. You're at home. Be a good home team. That's one way to do it. I think the goalie actually read this play quite well. He looks like he's in position. He's trying to keep up to the pass. But because that pass was perfect, the one-timer beats him clean.
We're still in the early stages of this period. The Red Wings fire. Takes it into the slot. He scores and tie it up.
Brand new game. All that work is gone behind this, and we're back to even Stevens. The accuracy of this play is the thing for me here, James. Look at this tape-to-tape puck work. Pass on the stick, move quickly, and now it's in the back of the net.
Crowd's buzzing, ready to get things back underway, and I think the officials are too. Draisaitl one
Pull over top of him there, C-ball.
look out. That was
You give up one, you can't fold. You gotta punch back, and they get one quickly after giving up a goal.
It's like that old song, I get knocked down, but I get up again.
As this play heads towards the net, you can see the traffic. The goalie's struggling to find the puck line, so he'll drop into position in the butterfly. Thinks he's got it covered. But there's a crack, there's a hole, and it's in the net.
More than half the frame has been played here. Slides the puck over. Cuts into the hole. Scores! And the state of hockey is loving it.
Man, there's some zip on that thing, James. You score from this position on the ice with that type of shot, that's got some mustard on it.
The Wild have been pressing, and they finally get one to pay off.
Work, and eventually...
Time stopped by Kemper.
The goalie reads his...
Scores! Escape! And into the back of the net.
Oh, that's a good break for the offensive team. The puck is thrown to the front of the net. Bounces off the defender and in.
The Canadians deliver early with an opening goal here at home.
I love the way that they were able to get themselves into the game quickly, play at the pace they want to, and capitalize on that chance.
The Capitals win the faceoff along the boards. The Predators played along the wing. Stick scores! Filthy goal!
What an amazing move. I love it, James, to have the creativity and the courage to try it and then to execute it. Awesome. How did that happen fast? That long breakout pass is a beauty. Right on the tape, and then it ends up in the back of the net at the other end of the ice.
The Predators have turned it up to 11 here early with that goal.
They told us this morning that they wanted to attack early. They thought that the other team might not be ready for a scoring spot. Get a pretty good chance on goal. They just can't find a way to finish it off.
He scores! And they're on the board!
Not everybody's been on the ice yet, and we've already got a goal on the board. Really good work here in the offensive zone. They don't score early, but they stay on it. They retrieve the puck again. They get a couple of chances. They wear them out, and eventually they score.
New Jersey takes it from the other side of the blue line. He scores! Will this is the sign of things to come?
Well, I hope so. I love goals, James. This one is quick, and it's already on the board.
80s hockey, here we go.
Hey, James, I thought the goalie had been still about the fourth deep, and then he's out in the corner. He's got no chance. What a goal.
New York's got a jump in their step tonight as they strike early.
Well, that's going to help as well, James. Now you've got the lead. The guys feel good about themselves, and they can attack with the cushion of a one-goal lead.
Puck. Nice feed. And score! Sean Couturier.
It's a really good shot once that puck's deflected in front of the net. There's traffic. Nobody can find it quick enough. The goalie sure can. It's in the net.
Philadelphia's home fans are back right on their feet again.
Man, they just sat down. Now get back up. Everybody cheer, sit back down, and maybe the one-on-one battles. He gets out, focus.
He scores! The SoCal Kid delivers! Jason Zucker!
When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
The Penguins take a 1-0 lead here early in this first period.
What a way to crank up the crowd to get yourself on the board early.
Washington's won the draw. San Jose's got a hold of it along the wall. And it's in the back of the net. Oh, this was quick.
Hard to believe the game can change so quickly. An early score, and it is something that nobody quite expected. Once he gets in that close, you know it's going to be a deke. He sells the shot, though. The goalie fights on it. He goes to the forehand. Makes no mistake to put it in the net.
San Jose's come to play tonight. Did they ever strike early there?
You want to start the game on your front foot.
A solid stop on the play there.
It's always fun to score at home. The crowd cheers so loud. We feel the energy. This early in the first period is a huge boost. He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
The Kraken have ramped this crowd right back up once again.
Well, there's always some emotion around the anthems here. Now you drop the puck quickly or in front of 1-0.
Windberg's won the draw. Steps into the offensive end. He scores! But not long after they sat down for the end zone. Back up.
Yeah, that's the whole point of this thing, isn't it? If you're at home, you want it to be a bit of a party. Early on, you've got the game's first goal. Guys are always working on getting rid of the puck quicker and quicker and quicker. I mean, it can't come off the stick any quicker than this. And the goalie just can't keep up from this close range.
The Blues may be taking advantage of some home cooking tonight.
What a great start for them. They come out, puck hits the ice, and they're by far the most aggressive team.
Walker's won it. Taken along the wall by Paul. Here he is. Scores! The home team's on the board.
And that is a textbook start for a home team. Get the early first goal, make the road guys start to chase you. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot keeps the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
The Lightning have made their way back to center ice with a 1-0 lead here early in this opening frame.
I like what I'm hearing from their bench, James. They're not talking about protecting the lead. They're talking about going again.
Still seeking to get into a scoring position.
Trying to shake loose.
The chance was there, and he was on his horse. He was able to pull away from everybody on the breakaway, and it's a nice finish.
Toronto's got a 1-0 lead. They've got their crowd on their feet here.
Early on, the entertainment is here. Early lead for the home team. The first goal in the first 5 minutes. Quick reflexes, and he makes the save.
Taken by Garland.
Very much from this position on the ice with that type of shot, but quickly delivered, lots of velocity in one play.
Vancouver's got the position that every coach loves, the lead.
Then you can use your bench, then you can use all of the combinations you might think.
Here he is in front! He scores! Were you getting your head set on down there? Did you see that?
Just barely tuned into that one. That was quick, and the whole side's up one. Sorry for goalies very often, but I almost feel sorry for the goaltender trying to look through this massive humanity in front of the net. He can't see the puck, and now it's in the net.
The Golden Knights were preaching good start. Mission accomplished so far.
Preach it all you want. You've got to execute it. They came out as aggressive as they possibly could.
Feeds the puck across to Ovechkin. He's got a step. Scores! Wow, what a goal!
Nice man, great finish. No short break in the net. Once you escape the pack, it's now one-on-one with the goalie. He's trying to read you, you're trying to read him. The shooter wins this time.
The Capitals have to be feeling good about this start.
They wanted to start quickly, they wanted to attack, but right off the opening face-off, they're in the offensive zone and